Hey Dad and Pauline, happy 28th anniversary. I cannot believe it's been 28 years! Anyways, I'm making this video in case you would like to treat Pauline to a bit of a different meal. This is, as I said in our previous chat, it's very, very simple, it's fun, it's delicious, and I think she might really enjoy it. So here's the video of how to prepare it. And if you do make this meal, I'd love to know how you both enjoy it. So this is inspired by a crabless crab cake recipe, a vegan crabless crab cake recipe that we tried a few weeks ago and we absolutely loved. So since then, we've made it a couple times. Today, I'm not going to be frying crab cakes. We're actually going to make soft tacos out of it, and it makes it very, very easy because you don't have to cook anything. And yeah, really nice and easy. Okay, so what we have in this bowl already, Billy's helped me with this, is we have prepared hearts of palm. This is a vegetable full of nutrition and good stuff. If you Google it, the list is pretty long about what benefits you get out of this. This is something I've never really eaten ever before, but it's awesome. So this, I think, is an easy one to find in Whitehorse. You can probably find it at Superstore. And what it looks like when you get it out of the can is this. And we're going to cut it lengthwise in 4, cut it again in half, and then we're just going to kind of mush it, almost like it'll take on the consistency of sort of crab meat. So if I bring you around, so you can see my chopping board. What we've done is cut it lengthwise in half, and then here you just kind of gently press. And you know, if you'd prefer not to get your hands kind of all messy like this, then I'm sure you could just kind of chop it up, almost like dice it like a carrot or something. But if you do it this way, it actually does sort of give you the consistency of the crab meat. So you just kind of shred it a little bit, mush it. It's really mushy on the inside. The outside is a little bit firmer. And today what Billy and I have done is we've also added jackfruit, and we did a cooking class on jackfruit vegan pulled pork, and it was actually surprisingly amazing how good it was. And you probably would never have known, if you didn't know what it was made of, you would never have known that it was actually not pulled pork. So the jackfruit, if you want to try it as well, this is how it came, or the box it came in, where we got it from Community Foods. But I think you can get this at Superstore as well. But look for plain jackfruit, not the flavored kind. I think they do come flavored, and they come in cans of syrup and stuff. So just get the plain jackfruit. And then in the bowl, I have, let's see, can you see? Oh yeah. So I've just mixed a little bit of the jackfruit. That's on the right, I believe that you're seeing this stuff. And then the Parma heart is on the left. This is, you can get really creative with this. You don't have to use specific measurements. Just kind of eyeball it, and you can taste it along the way because there's no raw meat, so you can kind of add flavors as you want. So here we have Parma heart, a little bit of jackfruit. I also have half a clove of garlic and some chopped parsley. I can't remember if you and Pauline like cilantro or not, but if you do, you can use cilantro instead. And here's what I do. I have a little bit of peas, frozen peas and frozen corn. That's going in probably in total about a cup. And Dad, this is how easy it is. Mayo, just like a couple tablespoons maybe. Mustard, whatever kind of mustard you like, about the same amount. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Again, it depends on how much jackfruit or Palm of Hearts you're using. And then when you mix it, again, what you're looking for is just sort of the consistency that's sort of mushy. Not going to fall apart though. Then you like this. We're going to add a little hot sauce. So this is sriracha hot sauce. You could use your fave. Just a little drizzle of that. Great. Ground pepper. A couple of shakes of that. Some Himalayan pink sea salt. Not sea salt, Himalayan salt. A little bit of that. Now here is the magic ingredient. Old Bay seasoning. Now you might actually want to measure this, but I can't remember how much. So I'm just going to lightly add a little, let's see, can you see? A few dashes. Start light and then you can add more as you need to, or as you wish. This is what's going to give it that crab cake flavor. And then give it a try. And you'll know if you want to add something. Just going to add a little bit more of that. And then that's it. So that was like 6 minutes. 6 minutes, there was a little bit of prep in advance. So obviously if you're gonna make crab cakes, you probably, I'll show you the consistency in this bowl. So this is what the bowl looks like. So it has the jackfruit, the palm of heart or heart of palm. What is this called? Heart of palm. Peas, corn, a little bit of chopped parsley, a little bit of garlic, the mayo, the mustard, and the spices. Now, if I were to try to make this into a ball, it would probably fall apart just because everything is really chunky. So if you do want to make this into crab cakes and fry them like you would a burger or something, maybe just chop things a little bit more finely. But otherwise, you can put this on top of salad, you can put it on top of rice cakes, you can put it inside, now this would be getting really creative for you, but nori wraps if you want like a tuna cone kind of a thing. Today we're doing soft tacos, so we have soft tacos and here's what we're adding to it. So we have already chopped lettuce, avocado, carrot, green onion, red onion. Now if this bothers you, it bothers me raw. If you pre-soak your onion just in water for 5 to 10 minutes, it just really softens it and makes it a little bit easier to digest. We have shredded green cabbage. I think shredded purple cabbage would be really pretty. Some salsa, and I've previously roasted cauliflower, and I did it with just some olive oil and turmeric, because apparently turmeric and cauliflower together, and probably ground pepper, that really helps the benefit of turmeric, somehow reduces prostate cancer risk. So that's what we're putting in our soft tacos tonight. So that's how easy it is, Dad. Give it a try one day. Maybe on your anniversary, it would go great with some sparkling, maybe some champagne, or a margarita. And let me know how you guys enjoy it. Okay, I love you so much. Happy anniversary. Wow, almost 30 years. So much to celebrate. I love you.